to our new room, the Seashell room. So let's go inside. So this is Seashell 1.
Seashell 1.
So come inside, guys.
Oh no! There's a baby.
So there's 2 beds, 1 double and a single bed. And high ceiling room with cabinet that you can put your things. Coffee, heater, fan, and TV. So this is the bathroom. Come here, guys. They have a full-size mirror. You can retouch everything. So sink.
Sisi is doing the room tour too.
Something. So come here, guys. This is their shower. And a separate bathroom.
Yeah,
Toilet.
the toilet there.
Na ay pang boys and for poop.
And the backyard, and the backyard.
And also
Show them
if
the
you want
backyard.
to
To halay.
follow your things.
Yeah.
You can go here. You just open it like that.
Yeah. This is the backyard.
Close it lang, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, lakit dayon. Okay.
Okay na.
Okay.
Close it like that. I like the curtain. So
The curtain so high.
high.
High ceiling curtain.
So that's it, guys. Seashell room here at Secdea.
And wherever you go, you bring your Baba Bear. Right? Yeah? Sisi cheer.
You forgot
Sisi
me.
cheer.
You forgot me.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
What can I
Subscribe.
say? What can I say?
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And
The subscribe button here.
share.
Out.